Centralize mechanicals to shorten duct and pipe runs and cut both material and labor costs on budget-conscious home builds. Place the mechanical room near the house core so major duct trunks and plumbing stacks are short and balanced to each living zone. Stack wet fixtures vertically when possible to concentrate soil and vent piping into a single chase and reduce long horizontal runs that need slope and more fittings. Use compact duct designs such as short radial systems or high-efficiency short-throw registers to serve rooms without large main trunks and to keep static pressures low. Size ducts to maintain moderate air velocity and prefer slightly larger runs over undersized noisy ones, but keep overall lengths minimal to reduce fan power and installation labor. Route domestic hot water on the shortest practical path and consider a small point-of-use heater for remote baths to avoid long insulated hot water runs and the heat loss and wait time they cause. Minimize service penetrations through the insulated envelope by grouping vents, conduits, and pipes, so continuous insulation and air barriers are easier to install and maintain, which lowers both material costs and the chance of energy penalties. Common mistakes start with placing the mechanical room in an exterior wall or distant corner, which forces long runs and higher fan and pump sizes. Move the room toward the center and rework the plan to bring systems inward. Another issue is scattering plumbing fixtures rather than stacking, which increases pipe lengths and labor. Cluster bathrooms and kitchens, or use a second smaller stack for an accessory zone. A third problem is overcomplicating duct layouts with many transitions and long flexible duct, causing noise and performance loss. Keep layouts simple, use straight insulated ducts when possible, and limit flexible duct to short, final connections. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us and our visitors discuss practical strategies like centralizing mechanicals to shorten runs and save money. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share plans, lessons learned, and referrals so both sides find the right fit for budget-friendly construction.